Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset your Xiaomi smart speaker. Okay, so all you have to do, it's very simple. Just take a look on this panel and we have to use this button and this button. We have to click and hold them together for at least 10 seconds. So let's make it right now. Plus and the minus. Keep holding. Right now it's making sound. The icon right here is blinking. Okay, and when the speaker turns off, you can just release both buttons. And right now it will be turned on again automatically, and the screen on the front will be also turned on. And as you can see, that's the reset of the speaker. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.